Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine. Welcome to the online class. Today topic is about the question answers of Unit 10 and the book exercises of Unit 10 plus 12. Okay. So it's mean that I will explain the questions answers of Unit 10, which you already done in the classwork copies. Okay. So unit 10 is about the sound and light. First I will summarize this unit and then I will explain the question answers. So this unit is about the sounds. So you know that we hear sounds with our ears. Okay, so we are using our ears for hearing sound, and sounds are all around us. Okay, so sound tell us about the world around us. We hear sound with our ears, right? So you know that कि हम अपने ears use करते हैं for hearing sound. So sound are made by the vibrations and it travel in the form of waves. Clear? So sound travel in the form of waves. There are different types of sounds, that some are pleasant sounds, some are unpleasant, some sounds are loud and some are soft. Okay, if you are close to a sound, it sounds loud, so it will create the loud sound, and if you are far away, it sound soft, so it will create the soft sound. And loud sound can damage our hearing. Okay, if the sound is too much loud, then it will damage our hearing. So the next is this topic. I have already told you that is this topic is about the sound and light. Okay, so I will summarize it. So the next is the light, and light is also a form of energy. Okay, and it travel in straight line called rays. Sound travel in straight line called rays. There are different types of sounds that they light, sorry, sources of light. So the sources of light are sun, bulb, star, fire. So sun is the biggest source of light. Okay, all living things are depend about the on the sunlight. So there are different types of sources of light, that is the glowworm, torch, bulb, candle, matchbox, matches जो होती हैं, right? So all these are the sources of light. Now come to the luminous objects. So this is all about the sound and light. Now come to the questions. That question is, what are luminous objects? Name any 5 luminous objects. Okay. So you already done this question in your notebook. The objects that give out light are called the luminous object. Clear? The objects that give out light are called the luminous objects. So the examples are sun, stars, candle, lamp, bulb, firefly, glowworm. All these are the examples of luminous objects. That what कि luminous object कौन सी चीज़ें होती हैं? वो चीज़ें जो अपनी लाइट प्रोड्यूस करती है, जिनकी अपनी लाइट होती है, दे आर कॉल्ड द luminous objects. ठीक है, जिस जैसे कि सन हो गया, स्टार्स हो गए, कैंडल, इनकी अपनी लाइट होती है. हमारे पास कुछ इंसेक्ट्स भी हैं, सम आर लाइक अ फायर फ्लाई एंड ग्लो वॉर्म, राइट? सो दे आल्सो प्रोड्यूस द लाइट. You can also see in this image that lamp, candle, they are also and this insect is called the glowworm, which also produce the light. Okay, the other side, the non-luminous objects. So non-luminous objects are those objects which do not have its own light, जिसकी अपनी लाइट नहीं होती. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मून. ठीक है, तो मून की अपनी लाइट नहीं होती. इट रिफ्लेक्ट द लाइट ऑफ सन. Clear? So luminous objects are those objects which produce its own light, and the proper answer is the objects that give out light are called the luminous objects, जिसमें हमारे पास examples हैं sun, stars, candle, lamp, bulb, firefly, right? There are many examples of luminous objects. And the other side, the non-luminous objects are those objects which do not have its own light, like a moon. Okay, so moon do not have its own light. Okay, the next question is, how does light travel? So you know well that light travel in straight line called rays. Okay, light travel in straight line called rays. Clear? So the next is the how which travel faster, light or sound? कि कौन लाइट ज़्यादा तेज ट्रैवल करती है या साउंड? So light travels, so proper answer is light travels faster than sounds. Okay, so the examples, इसमें आप examples दे सकती हैं thunderstorm की. In the thunderstorm you also experience that the thunder and lightning occur at the same time, but we first see a flash of lightning and then a few seconds later we hear the thunder. So जब थंडर स्टॉर्म होता है सो फर्स्ट दोनों चीज़ें जो हैं लाइट एंड थंडर ये दोनों सेम टाइम पे अकर होती हैं, बट फर्स्ट वी सी द फ्लैश ऑफ लाइटनिंग. ओके, एंड आफ्टर सम सेकेंड वी कैन आफ्टर फ्यू सेकेंड वी हियरिंग द साउंड. क्लियर? सो इट्स मीन दैट लाइट ट्रैवल faster than sound. Okay, so the next question is, are shadows longer in the morning or at midday? Explain why. Okay, so shadows are longer in morning because the sun is far away. When the sun is far away, the shadows, it will make the long shadows. Okay, so how shadow is formed? Shadow is formed when when opaque object block the light of sun, it form the shadow. Okay, so shadows are longer in morning because the sun is far away. Sun हमसे बहुत दूर चला जाता है, that's why the shadows are longer. And as shadows are shorter at midday because the sun is overhead. जब sun हमारे बिल्कुल किसी भी चीज़ के, किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट के बिल्कुल ऊपर बहुत करीब आ जाता है, so the shadows are shorter. Clear? Next one is the how is sound produced. So already I have told you that the sound is produced by the vibration, and the इसकी examples आप ऐसे लिख सकती हैं, when we talk then put finger on your throat. Okay, so when we talk that our throat is vibrating, so it's produce the sound. Okay, so sound is produced by vibrations. नेक्स्ट इज़ द हाउ आर साउंड यूज़फुल, कि साउंड कैसे यूज़फुल है. साउंड्स आर यूज़फुल व्हेन वी टॉक टू ईच अदर. जब हम एक दूसरे के साथ बात करते हैं देन द साउंड इज़ यूज़फुल. हमारे लिए साउंड जो है वो इस तरीके से यूज़फुल हो सकती है. अलर्ट अदर्स ऑफ डेंजर, किसी भी ख़तरे से किसी को अलर्ट करने के लिए वी आल्सो यूज़ साउंड. ओके, सो साउंड्स आर यूज़फुल व्हेन वी टॉक टू ईच अदर, alert others of danger. Clear? So the homework is today homework is learn questions of unit 10 plus book exercises of unit 10 plus 12. Okay, so now I will show you the images of book exercises for that you can tally your book with these images. Okay, so on page number 82, concept check, if you are close to a sound, it sounds loud. Okay, so in this blank loud will come, so you can also tally your book again with these images. If you are far away, it sounds low or soft. Okay, so you can also write down any one. When light falls on an object, shadows can be seen on the surface directly behind the object. Okay, so next one exercise is on page number 83. Sounds travel through solid, air, liquid, or all three. So sound travel in all these three. Sound can travel from solid, liquid, and gas, okay, or air. So the correct option is all three. A drum skin hit gently makes a soft sound. अगर आप ड्रम की स्किन को बहुत सॉफ्ट हिट करेंगी then it will be create the soft sound. Okay, the beautiful color we sometime see at sunrise or sunset are caused by the dust and droplets. How many minutes does it take for the sunlight to travel 164 million kilometer to reach the earth? So it will take the 8 minutes. It's mean कि sun और earth का जो distance है, the distance is 146 million. तो सन की रेजेस अर्थ तक पहुंचने में कितना टाइम लगता है? It takes just in 8 minutes. Okay, at midday when the sun is overhead, shadows are short. मैंने ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में एक्सप्लेन किया है दैट जब सन हमारे बिल्कुल करीब आ जाता है, बिल्कुल सरों पे आ जाता है, देन द शेडोज आर शॉर्ट. ओके, so next exercise is tick cross. Sound waves can travel only through water and other liquid, so it will be cross. Okay, because sound waves travel water, air and liquid, and here are mentioned water and liquid, so it will be cross. Sound waves travel in one direction, it will be also cross because sound waves travel in all directions. Okay, so you can have some sound, anything, vibration. It's mean that sound waves produce होने के लिए किसी भी vibration की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. So it will be cross. Sound is produced by the vibrations. Very loud sound can damage hearing. It will be tick because if the sound is very loud, it will damage our hearing. Less vibration creates louder sound. जितनी भी कम वाइब्रेशन होगी तो साउंड ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस होगी. सो इट विल बी क्रॉस बिकॉज दिस मोर वाइब्रेशन क्रिएट्स लाउडर साउंड. ओके, light rays travel faster than sound waves. It will be tick because light travel faster than the sound waves. The sun, the moon and the stars are all luminous. They are saying that sun, moon and stars are luminous. But in this statement, stars and suns are luminous but the moon are non-luminous. So it will be cross. The brightness of light is called its intensity. It will be tick because the light की जितनी भी brightness मतलब जो रोशनी होती है वो it called the intensity, वो इसकी intensity कहलाती है. So it will be tick. On page number 84, the intensity of light increases as we move away from the source of light. ठीक है, they are saying that जितना हम लाइट से दूर जाते जाएंगे तो लाइट की सोर्स ऑफ लाइट जो है वो इंक्रीज़ होती है. इट्स विल बी क्रॉस क्योंकि जब हम लाइट से दूर जाते हैं तो लाइट सोर्स ऑफ लाइट कम होती जाती है. A shadow is always smaller than the object itself. चाहे सन हमसे far away हो और its sun is the overhead, that they are saying that shadow is always smaller, so it will be cross. Okay, so the next exercises these exercises is of unit 12, solar system. Okay, so I have given the images of these pages because you can tally these pages with your book. Retally. Okay, क्योंकि हम already इसको tally कर चुके हैं, but retally these exercises with your book. Clear? So till to next online class, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.